Hi guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I will show you how to switch off Instagram push notifications about your post so you can minimize distractions on your phone. First of all, you have to go to your profile first, click here, and then click the three horizontal lines on top of your screen and go to your settings. And then choose notifications over here. And here on the top settings, you can choose to pause all notifications, but it's for temporarily, or you can choose this post stories and comment settings. Here you can choose to turn off several settings of the notifications. So here I'm going to turn off the likes notifications that I get. And now from now on, I will not be getting any push notifications about who that likes my post. So that's how I manage to switch off Instagram push notifications about my post and minimize distractions on my phone. If I want to know who likes my pictures, I will just have to go to the notification bar or the post in my feed. So thank you guys for watching. If you find this tutorial helpful, remember to like this video and subscribe to this channel, and I'll see you guys in other tutorial from this channel. Bye bye.